Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. We are discussing the different verses of the Holy Quran regarding creation. We are reciting verses from chapter 4 of our book, the Holy Quran and Creation. And nowadays we are discussing the last subheading of this chapter, that is miscellaneous verses regarding creation. So today we will discuss few verses from chapter 16, that is Surah An-Nahl of the Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وما ذرأ لكم في الأرض مختلفا ألوانه إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يذكرون. وما, and whatever zara he multiplied or he created lakum for you fil ardi, in the earth, mukhtalifan, various, alwanuhu, colors. Inna, indeed, fi, in, zalika, that, la ayatan, is surely a sign, liqawmin, for a people, yazakkarun, who remember. Allah Almighty says that whatsoever Allah Almighty has created of various colors, Allah Almighty says that whatsoever He has created in the earth for you of various colors, indeed in that is surely a sign for a people who remember. Allah Almighty has placed so many signs in the universe, in the earth, in the oceans, in the heavens. He has placed so many signs that the people who reflect, the people who remember, and people who give thought, they are guided to the right path, and they are guided towards the creator of this universe, and they are guided regarding the oneness of the creator. So in this verse, Allah Almighty says that the diversity in colors, the various colors in the universe, and they are also a source of guidance for a people who remember. The different colors of the rocks and stones, and different colors of fruits and vegetables, and the animals and plants, they are of different colors. So Allah Almighty says that in that is surely a sign for a people who remember. That is the varying colors, the things of various colors. وَهُوَ الَّذِي, and He is the one who سَخَّرَ, subjected, al-bahr, the sea, لِتَأْكُلُوا, so that you eat, minhu, from it, lahman, meat, tariyan, fresh, وَتَسْتَخْرِجُوا, and you bring forth, minhu, from it, hilyatan, ornaments, talbasunaha, you wear them, watara, and you see al-fulka, the ships, mawakhira, plowing, fihe, through it, walitabtahu, and so that you may seek, min, of fadlihi, His bounty, wala'allakum, and so that you tashkurun, be grateful. Allah Almighty says that Allah is the one who has subjected the sea for you, so that you may eat fresh meat, that is the fish from water, from sea, lahman tariya, wa tastakhriju, and you bring forth, minhu, from, hilyatan, ornaments, the different pearls, etc., talbasunaha, you wear them. And Allah Almighty says that you see the ships plowing their course through the water, وَتَرَى الْفُلْكَ مَوَاخِرَ فِيهِمْ, and so that you may seek of His bounty, and so that you may be grateful. وَأَلْقَى, and He has set, فِي الْأَرْضِ, in the earth, rawasiya, from mountains, an, lest, tamida bikum, it should shake with you, وَأَنْهَارًا, and the rivers, وَسُبُلًا, and the roads, paths, the natural paths in the land and in the mountains, وَسُبُلًا لَعَلَّكُمْ, so that تَهْتَدُونَ, you are guided. وعلامات and the landmarks وبالنجم and by the stars whom they يهتدون guide themselves. That is, Allah Almighty has made the different landmarks as a source of guidance of people, and stars. People are also guided by the stars. Afaman, then is he who yakhluqu creates. Kaman is like one who la yakhluqu does not create. Afala tadhakkarun, then will you not remember. Allah Almighty says that is the one who has created all these things, is like one who does not create. Afala tadhakkarun, then will you not remember. Allah Almighty has created the human beings, and Allah Almighty has gifted this higher cognitive abilities to the human beings, not given to the animals. Allah Almighty says that indeed we have created man from a sperm drop mixture. Nabatali hai, so that we may test him. Allah Almighty says that I have created the mankind for test, so that we may test him. فَجَعَلْنَاهُ سَمِيعًا بَصِيرًا. Allah Almighty says that we have made him hearing and seeing. The animals are also having ears and eyes to hear and look at the things, but they are not gifted with the higher cognitive abilities, while human beings are gifted higher cognitive abilities. So in this verse of the Holy Quran, Allah Almighty says that فَجَعَلْنَاهُ سَمِيعًا بَصِيرًا. So Allah Almighty says that we made him hearing and seeing. So here in this verse, the hearing and seeing is actually a metaphor for higher cognitive abilities actually. Only hearing and only seeing is also done by animals, but they are not having higher cognitive abilities, so they cannot qualify for test, while man is being gifted with higher cognitive abilities, so he can qualify the test. So Allah Almighty says that إِنَّا خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِن نُطْفَةٍ أَمْشَاجٍ نَبْتَلِيهِ فَجَعَلْنَاهُ سَمِيعًا بَصِيرًا. Allah Almighty says that indeed we created man from a sperm drop mixture so that we may test him. فَجَعَلْنَاهُ سَمِيعًا بَصِيرًا. So we made him hearing and seeing. So it is actually a metaphor for higher cognitive abilities. And Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran that إِنَّ السَّمْعَ وَالْبَصَرَ وَالْفُؤَادَ كُلُّ أُولَٰئِكَ كَانَ عَنْهُ مَسْئُولًا. Allah Almighty says that regarding the hearing and vision and hearts, you will be asked, you will be questioned on the day of judgment. So Allah Almighty has gifted the humans with higher cognitive abilities so that they may reflect, so that they give thought. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.